uh, Disenado Minato Nami Kaze Deshe Hando Minato. Kakashi I do. Kakashi and Naruto Uzumaki. Uh, so let's do first. Okay, this is sketching. First makes the circle first. I make the basic with the red color and then I start the pencil. Okay, so this is the basic eyes line circle. This is the basic I did with the nose line, eyes line, and so this eyes line I break this 1, 2, so it is a nose line, eyes line, forehead line, and the same distance I take from that much. So this is the chin line. Okay, so this is the basic I did first. Okay, and now I using pencil because it is not that good visible. So but the basic I do first, like, okay, like this. Okay, this is a basic I did first, and for the hairstyle, from the hairstyle it is that much bigger line. I take that big, okay, that big. So I just make it here like this, like this, like this, like this. So these circles I draw first and then I maintain that. Okay. And here in the forehead they're wearing this the band, hair band. So that is a hair band over here. The basic I did. Okay, now I do this with a pencil. This is a basic. Okay, first make the basic very nicely, and I'm using pencil now to create before start. Okay, so here the eyes line, so I can create the eyes over here. Okay, so this is the nose line, right? So the nose line I first make the eyes. The eyes is like this. This is the eyes line, okay? So I make the eyes first here. Take your time and make eyes nicely. I make eyes eyeball like this. Okay, sure. যাও, ঠিক আছে এখানে আমি রেখে দিচ্ছি, এখন দিচ্ছি, একটু পরে তুমি যাও আমার সাথে। না যাবে না। Make it circle. Okay, this is the eyes. Okay, স্কুটি নিয়ে যাও, আসলে কি আছে, গাড়ি নিয়ে চলে যাও। This is the nose, and here nose line to this line, no, this you break the two line, 1, 2. So here to here, here to here, here to here, the same distance. If you say making, so this is your the খুলে যাও, আমি আসছি, বন্ধ করব। ওকে, so here the the characters, it looks up, right? This is a pose. Okay, the eyeball. Desano desnahodo minato minato desanhado minato namikaze. The character's name is so bigger, and I think this all looks Naruto kind of. I don't know. What say, Sejani? All it looks like a Naruto.
So they're all Naruto characters, sir. There are all Naruto characters, so that's why we are looking.
Okay. So here, all that to this. This is some. This looks up. So I create this lots of line in between. Ishan, you understood, beta? Rida, Manu, beta, understood? Yes, we mix first very nicely. The characters just looks off. The expression. So we are making this. Okay, draw it slowly. Okay, Rida, understood, beta, beta?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. So make it very, line is very clean and best, especially eyes. This kind of anime drawing, you should make it very carefully. As very less line, inking is very important. This line is looks like they are cat kind of. Okay, so this is inking. I mix inking over here. Ishan, understood, beta? So previously I do the all those characters of Kakashi, Sakura. That's all the family of Naruto. How to create the amazing outline drawing.
Sir,
Yes, beta. Tell me.
Hairstyle.
Oh, that's good. I
Thank you, sir.
thank you. This is really good. I like it.
Thank you, sir. I'm drawing Kakashi.
Kakashi, okay.
Sir, Niharika, Hatchman, and
Yes, Niharika.